All right, so today I'm going to teach you how to do a pre-trip inspection and walkthrough on the Kubota Broom tractors. All right, so the first thing you're always going to do is check your oil. You're going to want to come up in here. Now the oil's hard to see down in here, the oil dipstick. They have a horrible design for it, really. It's right down in here. So you're going to pull it out. Try not to get it all dusty and dirty. It's almost impossible. Clean it off. All right, then you want to put it back in. All right, make sure it's in all the way. Pull it back out. You want to check it. Make sure it's in the operating range. I'm going to clean it back off just because the less oil on it, the easier it's going to be to keep the dust off of it. Put it back in there. All right, now that you know your oil's good, right in here, this latch, that's how you lift the hood. Check your coolant, make sure that's full. Always check your radiators. Make sure they're not plugged up. If they're plugged up, before you fire it up, blow them out. As long as the person that operated it before you did their operation and post-trip, you'll be fine. You always want to take this out and either blow it out or bang it out. Oh, sorry, Robbie. You can see whoever did this didn't do a very good job at their post-trip. Check your inside one. As long as you keep up on the outside one, the inside one should normally be pretty good. When you're putting this back on, be mindful that you're putting it on in a way that that's facing down instead of up. If you're facing it up, it's gonna pull all the dust is gonna fall in it. This clip here is broken on this, so you ain't gonna get it latch. All right, now that you got that done, you should be safe. Keep checking. Check your hydraulic. All right, now you made sure the machine could breathe. You checked the oil, you checked the coolant. You're now safe to start it. Holy God. It's warm in here. Now that you're in here, while you're in here, this is where you'll test your AC, make sure that your AC is working. No one wants to be in a glass fishbowl if your AC is not working. You can try it and improve that. Make sure it's up and down. Side to side. PTO kicks on. All right. Let it back off. Check your back. Here's the gear. Make sure you're in a low gear. You don't want to be operating it in high or medium. You want to be in a low gear when you're operating. Marker brake. Make sure the marker brake works. An easy way to test it, put it on. Obviously make sure everything is lifted up. Try to drive. It's moving. That's telling me the marker brake's not too good. That's something you would put on glue on this machine. Steering wheel tilt. Check in there, make sure everything's good. Nothing's worse than driving down the road and your steering wheel stops working. Alright, you can hear, now that it's going, it's got a belt or a pulley squealing. So you can put that on glue. If you look right in here, this top pulley. See how it keeps stopping? That's how you know which pulley is bad. Check all your hydraulic lines. This is your time. Your horn. Make sure your horn works. Check your lights. Make sure all your lights are working. Performance on. All right, I turned this off because I don't want to hear that belt squealing all day. So, you now have checked everything in the engine compartment. You checked that the hydraulics work and everything. Now you want to check your tires. Right here you see we got a nail in the tire. Back in here, here's all your PTO. Check all those lines. Windshield wash fluid, make sure that's filled up. Hopefully this wasn't a bolt for anything important. While they were working on it, the mechanics forgot a bolt. Just check everything out. Before you start sweeping, fill your water tote with water. All right, that's it for pre-trip.